What if I told you कि दिल्ली की हवा आपके लंग्स नहीं आपके जॉइंट्स को भी डैमेज कर रही है।
PM 2.5 and PM 10, the air that we are breathing, it's impacting every cell of our body.
देखो, अब हम ये सब जानते हैं कि पॉल्यूशन हमारे लंग्स को डैमेज करता है, causing cough and breathlessness. और ये सिर्फ दिल्ली की कहानी नहीं है। In fact, major cities like Chandigarh and Mumbai all are touching 200 plus AQI. But pollution का joint से क्या लेना देना? And are we ignoring some major diseases? This is exactly what we found out in my last patient, a 29-year-old Neha, who had the perfect health. रोज सुबह वॉक, घर का खाना, फिर एक दिन she couldn't even hold a cup of coffee. Her joints were burning with pain and the swelling was spreading from fingers to wrist. रोज 5 किलोमीटर चलने वाली लड़की अब बाथरूम तक जाने में स्ट्रगल कर रही थी. And after ignoring this symptom for months, she finally came to the hospital. डॉक्टर्स ने कुछ टेस्ट किए and the reports were unexpected. The inflammation markers of her body were dangerously high, meaning her immune system was really overactive. But why is a healthy woman's body with no injury or genetic history attacking its own joints? On running more tests, doctors found out that Neha had rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disease जिसमें body खुद को ही attack करती है. But you must be wondering कि ये तो अक्सर old age में होता है, तो फिर 29-year-old में कैसे? Something was not adding up and we had no idea. We double-checked her history, her allergies, and we even did a drug test. Everything came back normal. Nothing made any sense. Doctors had one question. Why was her rheumatoid factor positive? And then we realized the answer was literally in front of us. In fact, all around us. Neha had been going out for morning walks for the past 6 months and living in Delhi, one of the most polluted cities in the world. Every single breath she took was not just poison, it was an attack signal. See, we have PM 2.5 levels of more than 60. Now these are the particle matters that are so small they slip through the lungs and enter your bloodstream directly. But she ignored all her symptoms. Stiffness और joint pain को gym का progress समझते हुए she would go out for a walk every day. And in the morning, when the pollution levels are this high, working out meant more PM 2.5 particles entering in your system. Such high doses are hazardous. They irritate cells, they damage tissues, and trigger inflammation in silence. Now to counter this inflammation, body has a system in place called immune system. देखो, immune system का असली काम simple है. Identify enemy, attack enemy, and then stop. But in case of air pollution, हमारे immune system को लगता है कि हर वक्त attack हो रहा है, and it becomes chronically active. This is the beginning of autoimmune diseases. When our immune cells goes into overdrive, they misidentify your own tissues as threat and start attacking them. And once that mistake happens, it never stops. In Neha's case, her autoimmune disorder targeted her joints. Now, depending on your genetics, it could be your digestive system and gut causing irritable bowel disorder, or it could be your hair and scalp causing psoriasis. But it all starts from air. And if you are in Delhi, you are breathing the exact same air. And the terrifying part, the latest research makes it quite clear that the long-term exposure to PM 2.5 was linked to 20% higher risk of developing autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. But the problem is, autoimmune diseases, they don't come and go. They are a part of your body's reaction. अगर ये शुरू हो जाए, it keeps coming back. लेकिन याद रहे, आपकी बॉडी हमेशा पहले से ही सिग्नल्स देती है, जैसे कि नेहा को दिया था. A little stiffness in the morning or a little fatigue that you blame on work, a little pain that goes away. ये कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है, बल्कि डैमेज के वो सिम्टम्स हैं जो उसने महीनों तक इग्नोर किए. because she didn't know that early detection and intervention can actually slow the progression and reduce your symptoms. और कुछ केसेस में तो remission और partial reversal तक possible है. So, if you are feeling any of these symptoms, please don't be afraid of treatment. Today, doctors can calm your immune system with medicines, and physiotherapy keeps your body moving like it should. And regular tracking, it helps the body heal without surprises. But एक बात ध्यान रहे, मेडिसिन के साथ साथ आपकी डाइट और लाइफस्टाइल सपोर्ट भी बहुत जरूरी है. फ्रॉम आउटसाइड योर जॉब इज टू कंट्रोल द एंट्री पॉइंट्स, योर नोज, माउथ एंड इवन योर आईज. Wearing a mask outside is not overreacting. It is a basic survival. Avoid morning and late evening walks because the pollutants are highest during these time. And from inside, pollution causes oxidative stress. Your body can naturally fight that with vitamin C sources जैसे कि आंवला, citrus, vitamin E which is found in dry fruits like almonds and omega-3 sources जैसे कि fish and flax seeds, and of course hydration because a thick mucus traps more toxins. These steps may seem a lot in the beginning, but sooner you become habitual, the better it is. देखो, नेहा की स्टोरी एक वार्निंग नहीं है, एक गाइडेंस है. And the biggest armor right now, it is not to ignore your symptoms. Pollution won't stop tomorrow, but by testing your inflammation markers, you can stop the damage today. This is a war, and being aware is your defense. So stay alert, stay protected, and don't forget to subscribe.